When you're choosing new windows and doors, you're not just picking a product, you're making an investment in comfort, in efficiency, and in peace of mind. At the Sunrise Collection, we understand that trust is earned. That's why we built one of the most advanced testing labs in the country, right in Gratz, Pennsylvania. There, every product we make is tested to exceed AAMA standards and pushed beyond them, from air and water resistance to structural strength and thermal performance. We test it all. But we don't just stop there. We perform balanced cycle testing, simulating years of real-life use, so your sashes glide effortlessly again and again and again. And we don't just test the final product. We continuously check components throughout our supply chain, ensuring quality and consistency, from the factory floor all the way to your home. Because we believe performance should never be a question. It should be a guarantee. So whether it's a summer storm, a snowy morning, or the simple beauty of sunrise, you can count on Sunrise Collection.